Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about introduction to remix. The marketing mix is a well-established conceptual framework that helps marketers to plan their approach to each market. At first, it provides a checklist of decisions which marketers must make. At best, marketers integrate or mix these decisions together and allocate their resources accordingly. In this chapter, we examine how the mix applies today. Online developments affect every aspect of business, every aspect of marketing, and every aspect of the marketing mix. So, do we have to throughout the all marketing mix concept, or can it still be applied? It is a radical remix needed. There is a debate among marketers about which mix is the most best, regardless of offline or online. Some feel that the traditional version of the mix simple misses the mark. There are others who feel it is a useful starting point. Some argue that physical distribution, selling, and pricing absorb the biggest impact from the internet. In fact, all the elements of the mix are affected by the online world. The e-marketing mix is charging as products become services. Services become customer driven, and customers create communities that extend the brand into new online experience. It's a new type of mix which people or staff use to do all the customer service today. There are new people customers who help each other in creating new customer experiences. These new people are users who generate new products, new promotional materials, including advertisements, reviews, and ratings. Positive and negative as for automotive companies, although they are moderated. New customer services such as ask and answer services, where customers share answer to other customers' questions. Although an extra element of the mix is suggested at the end of this chapter. This chapter does not seek to create a new mix but examines how the old mix is radically changed by the fast changing digital environment. This figure summarizes the main elements of the marketing mix and key issues of how the mix is changed in the digital environments that are explored in this chapter. The overall balance of the marketing mix is strategic and the details of the mix are tactical. For example, deciding whether to heavily discount prices and raise a high profile in a broad array of down market websites and communities is strategic. The tactical details would list the sites and communities and relevant prices in detail. Of course, a balanced mix itself is not enough to ensure business. Too many clever startup companies and many existing companies do not have all of the facts required to run a business. To ensure a business or even just the new online aspects of a business actually works for the customer, you need to ensure firstly that there is a market and secondly that you can apply it. Like that the basic business is fit for purpose and that the appropriate technology, product, service design, production process and marketing process, sale processes, delivery process, cash flow processes, and after sales support process are all in place, along with the resources, man, money, and time required to service it. All of this must be 100% in place at the same time, because if any single element fails, then so does the whole. However, customers don't care about an organization's facts or internal processes. They just want the right product service to be available to them at the right time, in the right place. Here is 7 key aspects of the classic marketing mix. Product, digital value, experiencing the brand. Price transparency, new price models. Place, representation, new distribution models. Promotion, offline versus online mix. Integration, people, resources and training. Contact strategies, physical evidence, online physical evidence integration. Process, optimizing internal and external process through the web. and at the right price. The all four P's are carefully balanced, and since increasing all products are becoming services as they also offer online product experience, we need to add the remaining three pieces for services: people, process and physical evidence to the required mix online.